The first step is to search for prompts shared on X. Pick the 15 to 20 best ones and build your own database. We'll use these to train Claude. Once you've selected your prompts, give Claude clear instructions. Tell it to analyze the prompts, identify common patterns, structure keywords and techniques that make them work, and then create a framework you can use to write your own. After Claude finishes the analysis, you have two options. You can give it a reference image and ask it to write a custom prompt for that specific shot, or you can skip the image and ask Claude directly for a prompt idea that has viral potential. Once your prompt is ready, we test it in Seedance 2.0. For this video, I'll be using CapCut. The maximum resolution is 720p, but that's not a problem. We'll upscale it later to 4K. And this is the final result. For the upscale, we'll use Astra, a tool by Topaz Labs. It takes the 720p output and brings it up to full 4K quality. Once that's done, all you have to do is hit save and upload it wherever you want.